With GAT Plus, you can create an audit report for the number of deleted files per week. This report may show unusual activity or mass deletion. The Google Workspace Admin Console allows you to recover deleted files within the last 25 days. By using the two tools in tandem, you can detect mass deletions or unusual activity early and restore the files. To begin, you must first create the report. Launch GAT Plus using a Google Workspace Super Admin account or a GAT Plus Delegated Auditor account. Navigate to the Drive Audit menu. Enter the Events tab. Make sure to reset and clear the existing custom filter. Next, click on the Custom Filters button. Now apply the following filter search operators. Make sure the event type is Event Type Search. Set the event type to Delete. Next, add a rule that is set to and date relative older than X days, and set that to 7. Next, select Scheduled, and for the occurrence, select Every Weekend. Make sure it is enabled, and enter the recipient who will be notified. Select Spreadsheet Google Drive for the output type. And for actions for no results, select Don't Upload and Don't Notify. Finally, click Apply and Schedule. This report will run every week and produce a Google spreadsheet containing the details of the files deleted in the last 7 days. That covers this GAT Plus how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.